Hello, guys, and welcome to the seventh episode of Karan Spitting Facts. I know it's been a long time, and I decided to make this video since there has been a lot of speculation being brewed around on the internet, Instagram, YouTube. So I decided to put my take on it. So today I want to talk about nepotism and why it has been really uplifted right now. क्यों इसका इतना बात हो रहा है? So we would get to it from point to point, and I would divide it into 6 points. Namely, people who denied nepotism and rose, why nepotism is basic and will still exist. Not every person who had the privilege of nepotism succeeds. Why we should not link Sushant Singh Rajput's death to nepotism. Stop making theories and harassing people who have been caught or subjectively have been a victim of nepotism. Lastly, what we can do to support them. So firstly, I would like to talk about people who denied nepotism and rose. See, nepotism, अगर मैं nepotism के बारे में आपको बताना चाहूँ, nepotism is basically getting a बहुत आगे से तुमको starting line में जगह मिलती है. अगर सब लोग यहाँ शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो you start over here. It's basically having contacts, connection with bigger people, bigger audience, and like getting born into a Kapoor family, getting born into Khan family. तो people say कि nepotism के वजह से लोगों के chance छीन जाते हैं, and it's not entirely true. There have been many examples who have proved these people wrong, जिन्होंने बताया कि we don't give a fuck about from where we are, what our age is, what our color is. We want to act, we want to do something, and we will do it. The prime example of these people who rose against nepotism would be Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, Jaideep Alwat, Pankaj Tripathi, Rajkumar Rao, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Abhishek Banerjee, Vidyut Jamal, and name countless people who have defied all odds and worked their way up to being India's favorite right now. We cannot say nepotism kills artists. If you're passionate enough about something, if you're skilled enough for something, if you don't get chances handed over to you, you need to get your own chances. You need to build your own chances. Nobody was giving Shah Rukh Khan like ye le bhai script. Like he worked really hard for it, and he got what he wanted because he worked hard and he had the passion for it, he had the skills for it. So there are a lot of people who have set an example like we don't give a fuck about nepotism. So my second point would be why nepotism is basic and will still exist. So you cannot blame someone, oh ये star family में पैदा हुआ है, why is he getting an opportunity? You're giving the answer right away. He is a star kid. He will be privileged. अगर तुम्हारे चाचा किसी कमिश्नर को जानते हैं, तो तुम अगर चौकी पे पकड़े जाते हो पुलिस के साथ, you do like मेरे चाचा इनको जानते हैं, like मेरे को जान दो. That is nepotism. अगर तुम मुंबई रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे पकड़े जाओ तो बोलो कि नहीं यार मेरा अंकल रेलवे में है, प्लीज जाने दो, मैं कॉल करवा देता हूँ. That is still nepotism. That is like getting a special treatment just because you know someone. Everyone does it in our daily life. रोज कोई बोलता है मेरे चाचा तो इसको जानते हैं, मैं तो इसको जानता हूँ, ये मेरे पप्पा का दोस्त है. That is nepotism. If every one of us agrees कि हम लोग एक ही दिन में सारा हमारा सब छोड़ देंगे बुरी आदतें and we will work on our own, then at that point you can say like fuck, हम लोग nepotism को support नहीं करते. If you keep practicing this shit and say like oh not many people get opportunities because of the star, वो गलत हो जाता है. That's just hypocrisy right over there. You cannot do that same thing in daily life and say कि इनके साथ गलत हो रहा है. My third point would be why not every star kid is successful. Like even with nepotism, we have a handful of examples that not everyone succeed. It's not just luck. It's not just connection factor. People need to have acting skills. Like even the biggest people get dropped down to zero just because they don't have the right skill for it. Biggest example would be Abhishek Bachchan. He is the son of Big B. He is the son of Amitabh Bachchan. Yet he is considered one of the lowest performing actor in the entire Bollywood. Everybody knows. Even Amitabh Bachchan knows. So stop saying that nepotism offers everyone a head start. Head start मिलके भी कुछ फायदा नहीं अगर तुम में talent नहीं है. Like I'll give you some examples. Ananya Pandey, Arjun Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan, Tiger Shroff, Uday Chopra, Harman Baweja, Tushar Kapoor. These people are the children of the biggest Bollywood celebrities, yet they are not respected, yet they don't get films. So, not every star kid gets what they want. There is always that skill factor that they need to achieve. But nepotism, at some hand, has also offered Bollywood some really good people. Like you can say like nepotism kharab hai, ye hai, but from nepotism we got Kareena Kapoor, we got Ranbir Kapoor, who is known as the chocolate boy of India. Sanjay Dutt, yeah, like Sanju Baba kisko nahi pasand. Sanju Baba, he's Sanjay Dutt. He's the son of Sunil Dutt, and given opportunity, he used that opportunity to do something better, and he became a fan favorite by his sheer work. Munna Bhai MBBS, and I don't know, मेरे को कोई याद नहीं आ रही. Shahid Kapoor, उसका भी starting में he was getting a like shitty movies, but now he's proven himself to be a great actor. Nepotism offers, there's always two sides. You either succeed or you don't. You succeed on the basis of skills, you don't succeed over the basis of fan selection. So getting to the real points, which would be Sushant Singh Rajput. He was declared dead at his home on 14 July, and it was a really sad day for all of us. So people are connecting Sushant Singh Rajput's death to nepotism. Okay, firstly, Sushant Singh Rajput was a really smart man. He was a really smart dude. He was talking about space theories and shit. He was a mechanical engineer for himself. People called him so many names. He was so intuitive. He was so active. We should not blame people for his death. We don't know the real reason. So he wasn't a flop actor. ऐसा नहीं था कि उसको अचानक से movie मिल गई and people started hating him. Every movie he did, everyone started to love him even more. He became a fan favorite over time with his sheer work talent. So you cannot say nepotism stole work off of Sushant Singh Rajput. He knew what he was stepping into. He was a background dancer. He knew what he was stepping into. He knew what would be the consequences if he became a big star. So people say like Arjun Kapoor got his movies, Ranveer Singh got his movies. That's true, it's Bollywood. People get more movies. So he didn't feel bad about this. He kept doing movies. ऐसा नहीं था उसको movies नहीं मिलने वाला है. He kept doing movies. People have the audacity to say really shitty things like Alia Bhatt was connected to his death. Like Alia Bhatt ने Coffee with Karan पे ये बोल दिया कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत हूँ. तो जो लोग clueless थे कि what depression is, what a big topic suicide is, they had no connection कि what क्या हुआ रहेगा. तो they said आलिया भट्ट के वजह से हुआ. That is so retarded. That is so retarded. He was such a nice person. He was such a smart person that in my opinion he would not do such a small thing over nepotism, over not getting movies. He would have just worked harder, and he was not talentless. He was not getting less movies, and he was necessarily not poor. He was like really rich. So getting to my next point would be people making theories. Like I was an average fan of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was a nice actor, but I wasn't a fan of him. But when I heard of his demise, I made a small edit and I posted it on social media. And सब लोग बोलने लगे, अब क्यों डाल रहा है? अरे भाई, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? तो that didn't stop there. People who didn't know how to link death to their content, they decided to make theories about how it's a murder, how it's something other than suicide. कोई बंदा अपने गले में फांसी लगा के पंखे से अपनी हाइट नाप रहा है, कोई औरत चिल्ला रही है, बोल रही है, कोई उनके कमेंट्स डिलीट कर रहा है. Bro, he is deceased, and talking about how he died, talking about how it is different, it's just disrespectful. It's really disrespectful. Like when Sushant Singh Rajput was declared dead, उसके घर पे people bombarded his father saying क्या हुआ रहेगा क्या. That man, his 34-year-old son died, and you're bombarding him with questions like कैसे हुआ. अगर उसे पता रहता कि कैसे हो रहा था, wouldn't he have stopped his son? So annoying कि people concern दिखाने के चक्कर में किसी की इज्जत की धज्जियां उड़ा देते हैं. in all entirety, Sushant was a really smart man, and उसके काफी proof available है. So we cannot say nepotism is linked to his death. Like not at all. Zero connection. He wouldn't have. There's no point in saying nepotism killed him. So my sixth point would be what we can do to support the people who rose against nepotism. So there are people who rose against nepotism and अब लोगों को suddenly उस पर प्यार आ रहा है कि we cannot let this happen again. तो ये वही लोग हैं जो बोलते हैं कि we do not support nepotism and रात को जाके U-torrent से मूवी पायरेट करके देखते हैं. तो at the best what we can do is genuinely buy or go watch their movies instead of pirating and saying कि नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, nepotism गलत है. You're pirating the movies and saying like nepotism गलत है. कितने गधे सुनाई दे रहे हो तुमको पता है? So retarded. So in the end it's just that stop linking people's demise over to something culturally appropriate to prove yourself relevant of it. It's wrong. It's plain wrong. Nepotism exists. It will exist. अगर तुम्हारे पास कनेक्शन है तुम एक्सप्लॉइट करोगे. I hope I didn't offend anyone's sentiment. I really do not want to sound disrespectful at all to anyone. So please forgive me if I said anything wrong because काफी sensitive topic है regarding to Sushant. So that's it for today, guys. I guess I'll see you in the next video and peace.